Well, made a little bit of progress on it. Got some of the headlight turn signal wires out. So you can see it goes over there to the right. And then I have the stuff over here for the left side. Got a couple power wires in there. And let's see back here. So you can kind of see down there. Got brake lights, turn signals, stuff like that. And then I'm going to do C notches for them on here. So both of those. And then you can kind of see the mess I got to work with. A lot of wire. But anyways, I'll keep posting some updates on it and kind of show what all's going on. So unfortunately, this takes a little bit of time doing the wiring. Doing the C notches back here will be a little faster. Should be anyways. But anyhow, have a good day.